I am excited to introduce you to something special today, my YouTube memberships. If you're looking for even more value from the channel, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can unlock exclusive content, perks, and more. Running a channel like this means I'm always looking for ways to give back to you, my amazing community, of course. I wanted to offer you something more than just regular videos. Something that connects us deeper and gives you exclusive resources to help you grow in your code, cloud, and DevOps journey, and even beyond that. That is where the YouTube memberships come in. I have structured my YouTube memberships into 4 tiers, each designed to offer increasing value. Here's a breakdown of what you get. At the basic level, you get loyalty badges, emojis, early video access, and even shoutouts in my videos. Upgrade to Pro and you get everything from the basic plus exclusive behind the scenes content, member only polls, and live Q&As. Premium members get the best of the best, exclusive tutorials and access to my courses that you rather pay FT prices to get on other course platforms, downloadable resources, and access to member only video series and workshops. That is what I mean by that. Finally, the Platinum tier is for those who want the ultimate experience. One-on-one mentorship, project feedback, and even special monthly video content designed just for you. Joining my YouTube memberships isn't just about supporting the channel, though I really appreciate that and I love it. Thank you so much for subscribing all these years and joining in advance. It's about taking your learning and engagement to the next level. Whether you're just starting your DevOps journey or you are a pro looking for exclusive insights, there's something here definitely for you. Getting started is easy. Simply click the join button under my videos or visit my channel page, pick the tier that suits you best, and you immediately start enjoying all the perks. It's a great way to access more content, get your questions answered, and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of technology. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. If you want to unlock even more value and be part of something special, I'd love to have you as a member. Your support means the world to me and I can't wait to share this next chapter with you. So hit that join button today and let's take your learning to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully as a member.